Risotto rice is cooked in a broth where it slowly develops a creamy consistency. When shopping for risotto, look for arborio or carnaroli rice. The high starch content of these medium-grain rice varieties creates the creaminess of a perfectly cooked risotto. Additions to risotto, like vegetables, are cooked beforehand and added to the risotto just before it's done cooking. Before starting the risotto, heat the broth called for in your recipe in a pot on the stove. Either homemade or store-bought broth will work. Risotto is made by first sautéing aromatics like onions and garlic in olive oil or butter. Then, adding the rice to cook until translucent, about 2 to 3 minutes. Hot broth is then added to the rice in stages. Add each new portion of broth when the last one is just about fully absorbed. Frequently stir the rice and broth to develop the creamy consistency that risotto is known for. Risotto is finished cooking when most of the broth has been absorbed and the rice is creamy and tender. Reserve about a half cup of hot broth at the end. When the risotto is cooked, add Parmesan cheese and any additional ingredients and stir. If needed, adjust the consistency of the risotto with the remaining broth.